So today we are how to change background. So now we are downloading the file that will in the description below. You should download it, then open it, then copy it, and we have to paste it in Codeblocks file. So now you have to go to the run and type percent add data percent. Then hit OK. Then we are go to the code blocks and paste it in this folder. Replace this. So our work is done. So if we want a file C++ with code blocks, we'll see the output. The background color will be changed black background. So you can see that the background color is changed. So if we try to more background color, so get in the settings, we'll go to the settings, then click the editor, and then here is the some background that you are seeing now. You can choose anyone and then hit OK. So that is the process for changing the background, and at first you have to download the config file, that is the description link. So thank you, we'll see you later.